Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, we will show you how to delete a message on WhatsApp without opening it. Let's get started. Before you begin with the steps, make sure you have closed WhatsApp and the app is not running in the background. Now, swipe down from the top and turn on airplane mode. Once done, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Locate the chat. On iOS, long press the message, select Delete and tap on the trash can icon, then tap on Delete for me to confirm. After deleting the message, close WhatsApp and make sure it is not running in the background. Finally, turn off airplane mode. There you go. You have deleted the WhatsApp message without the other person knowing. Although this method is very reliable, sometimes it may not work due to background processes, so make sure WhatsApp is not running in the background. We hope this video helped you learn something new. For more tech tips and tricks on WhatsApp, subscribe to Explore Error, and don't forget to check out these awesome videos curated for you.